Caring for your iGo2 is easy. Clean the concentrator exterior and battery once a week with these easy steps. Ensure the battery is installed while cleaning the cover. Use a damp cloth or sponge with mild household cleaner on the exterior cover and wipe it dry. Remove the battery. Wipe the battery bay and the battery with a dry cloth only. Clean the cords once a week by using a damp cloth with a mild household cleaner. Wipe to dry. Finally, clean or replace the nasal cannula and tubing based on the medical equipment provider instructions. Thank you for choosing Drive DeVilbiss Healthcare.